In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails. By the end, you'll have Outlook automatically catching typos as you write and double-checking messages before they go out, so your emails look polished and professional every time. Let's start with Classic Outlook for Windows. In the upper left corner of Outlook, click the File tab. This opens the Backstage view where you manage app-wide settings. From the menu on the left, select Options. A new window opens with several categories down the side. Click Mail to see settings that affect composing and sending messages. In the Mail section, scroll until you find the Compose Messages area. Here, you'll turn on the two spell check features that work together to keep your writing clean. First, check the box for check spelling as you type. This enables real-time spell checking. So as you write, misspelled words are underlined, making it easy to fix them on the spot. Next, always check spelling before sending. This adds a safety net. Even if you missed an underline, Outlook will run a quick spell check when you click Send and prompt you to review anything it finds. When both are enabled, you get immediate feedback while typing and a final check at the end. Click OK to save and apply your changes. From now on, your Compose window will show spelling hints as you work. And Outlook will stop you briefly if it spots errors right before sending. Now let's switch to the new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web. Start by opening a new message. This ensures you are looking at the editor controls that affect what you are writing. In the Compose window, click Options. Then select Editor to access the writing and proofreading tools. Next, click Editor Settings. In this panel, look for the spelling and grammar toggle and turn it on. With that switch enabled, the editor provides spell checking as you type and grammar suggestions where applicable. Changes take effect immediately, so you can keep writing and see underlines as the editor flags items to review. If you prefer a cleaner view while drafting, you can ignore underlines and rely on the editor's suggestions pane later. The toggle simply ensures the checking is active. That's it. Thanks for watching.